Hey out there, this is Jonathan Haupt. I'm the Executive Director of the Pat Conroy Literary Center here in Beaufort, South Carolina. And while the center is currently closed to the public, we're taking this opportunity to highlight some of our exhibits for you to experience from home. Many of the items on display here at our Pat Conroy Literary Center are pieces that Pat himself owned or materials that were on loan from friends or family members. But on today's Museum from Home Monday feature, I want to highlight a piece that was made specifically for our nonprofit Conroy Center, and it's this piece right down here. This is our donation box at the Conroy Center. This was made by a group of students at May River High School in Bluffton, one town over from where we are here in Beaufort. And the only request we made of that class was that we very much wanted a donation box for people to use when they visited us here at the center. And everything else in this concept the class came up with entirely on their own. They were Bradley Childress's Master Fabricator's class, a welding class, and they developed this concept entirely on their own. As you can see, the base is the outline of the state of South Carolina. There are two palmetto trees, our state tree, growing up out of that base. And then on top, serving as the donation box, there is a book, which to those students represented reading, writing, and education. When the donation box was delivered to us here at the Conroy Center, there was an interesting metallic jingle to it, and we thought perhaps a piece had come off in the course of transporting it to us. But when I asked Mr. Childress about that, he said that the class met after lunch and that the students had been in the habit of putting their change into the box themselves. So it arrived with a donation already in it, and we've left those coins in the box as sort of a good luck charm for us here at the Conroy Center. There were a group of students in that class, and there are their names, and a few of them in this photograph right there. We hope you all get to see the box and the Conroy Center in person, but in the meantime, thank you for joining us for Museum at Home Monday.